Hi everyone, Shelby here with another review. This is the PandaEar headphones for newborns and toddlers. This has been an amazing addition for our baby, especially when we wanted to go see fireworks, go to a rodeo, if we have to bring him to a concert, anywhere that is really loud and can damage his ears. We bought this for that. It has really comfortable padding. Also padding on the inside, that's for the noise canceling. On the headrest here, it's got additional padding and it is adjustable. So it can be for newborns or it can also grow with him until he is toddler or even possibly even a little bit older. As you can tell, it's got all the way down to this here where you can adjust it. It really does noise cancel and it is super soft. He has no problems wearing this. I really like that it is affordable. It comes in different colors and it is sturdy, also very compactable.